welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is TJ, aka Tarji. So in this video I wanted to share my wash day routine. So today is Sunday, May 23rd, and I wanted to deep condition my hair this week. So I'll be using the Olaplex number 8 to deep condition my hair. This is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Moisturize, smooths, adds body and shine, and it's for all hair types. So before I condition my hair, I did use the Cibu CBD Moisture Shampoo, and I also have the conditioner. Now this line, it says pure CBD promotes overall healthy scalp and hair for daily use and on all hair types and textures. Sulfate free, vegan, and color safe. Argan oil eliminates frizz, smooths, and adds shine. I really love the Cibu line. I also use their Frizz Fix Straightening Balm. This is such a great straightening balm. It's also a thermal protectant. It locks out humidity to eliminate frizz. Thermal protector, ideal for straight, sleek styles. Keratin silk protein leaves hair smooth and silky. And I also like the thermal shine spray. So sashimi, they have such weird names. Thermal heat protectant that eliminates frizz, sleek, straight, blowout results. Ideal for medium to very coarse hair types. Blend of natural oils, nourishes hair. These I really love. And then I did pick up the argan oil for fine and medium hair. I should have gotten the serum because I believe I have medium to coarse hair. My hair is pretty coarse in its natural state. And this is the Shine Squad Mist, and it's also a heat protectant. You just need 2 pumps. They say 2 pumps. I use more than 2 pumps, but those are the products I'll be using. And also I'm gonna use the It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. This is great as well. So I believe by the end of this, my hair has been in this cap for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to wash my hair out, and then we're going to jump into blow drying my hair and applying these products to my hair. So I believe I've taken out most of the moisture out of my hair. Well, wetness. I shouldn't say moisture. Most of the wetness out of my hair. I think most of it is gone. My hair is not as wet as before. So now I'm going to use the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. Okay, that's all I'm doing, and I'm just gonna use my fingertips and work the product into my hair. I think that should be fine. Then now I'm going to use the Frizz Fix, Cibu Frizz Fix. See, the hair pretty much moves even when wet. I don't know why I struggle with my words. So now it's time to blow dry my hair, and then I'm going to use a thermal shine before I straighten my hair as well. I kind of jump ahead and blow dry my hair, but this is half of my hair blow dried. You can see how nice and straight the straightening balm straightened my hair. It looks so nice, and there's so much movement. which is nice. So that's the volume and body that you want whenever you blow dry your hair. And this is just from blow drying. I haven't even straightened it yet, but it's very lightweight in your hair. It doesn't weigh it down. It doesn't feel, you know, too oily. It just feels nice and soft and light. So I'm gonna do my other side, and then I'm going to flat iron the rest of my hair so you guys can see it. And then I'm going to use my thermal protector and the argan oil. So you guys, my hair is blow dried. As you can see how straight it is so far, and this is just from blow drying it. Of course, I did blow dry my hair on medium heat. So now I'm going to finish it off with my flat iron. I'm going to use the Sashini thermal spray, and then I'm going to use the Shine Squad Mist argan oil. These are both thermal protectors, so you got double the protection. And also the serum, the straightening balm, is also a thermal protection, so you do get triple the protection in each of these products, which is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair so you guys could see the results. So in order to prep my hair to flat iron it, I'm going to use the thermal spray. Next side. They say 2 pumps, but I did a little bit more than 2 pumps. And then I'm going to use some of the argan oil. I try not to spray any of my roots because they say your scalp releases natural oil, so, and I don't want to weigh down my hair, so I stay away from my roots. So now I'm going to section my hair again. So you guys, that's it. That's my wash day routine for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got some great tips from my video. So like I said, the Cibu collection is really nice. It's really great on my hair, from the frizz-free products, especially the argan oil. I use that on my hair every day before I go out to protect my hair against the heat of the sun. So it's a great heat protectant, you know, against the environment during the summertime. So I highly recommend that for your hair before you go out. Now if you need something a little bit thicker, they also have the serum. So I really love the way my hair came out. It's really great. It's so shiny and manageable, which is what I really want. And it also lasts during the week. So what I do is I use the straightening balm to wrap my hair nightly, and then in the morning time I spray the argan Shine Squad, the Shine Squad mist, and that basically keeps my hair nice and straight, and it locks out the humidity during the week. My hair doesn't, you know, poof up, it doesn't frizz at all. So I really love these products. And also the Olaplex, it actually works great on my hair. It made my hair very lightweight. It didn't weigh down as much or at all. So I have to use it every week to see some type of significant results. So I'm going to incorporate it in my wash day routine every week to see if it really helps, you know, bond my hair and strengthen it and stop the breakage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some great tips. Don't forget to thumbs up, like my video, tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Woo! Ha!